guys? It's Manitoulin Island RC here. We're gonna go for a rip today with the Xmaxx because tomorrow is supposed to be minus 40 degrees Celsius, which is actually minus 40 Fahrenheit. Cold. So right now it's only about minus 4 Celsius, maybe about 25 Fahrenheit. And it's extremely windy. We just got a lot of snow. And the road hasn't been plowed yet. So I'm hoping to take advantage of that before the plow comes and do a couple rips up and down the road. Maybe go out in the lake, but I think the lake might be a little bit too deep for the paddle tires. They're great in the snow, but they can only handle so much. So that being said, you know, you only want a couple inches of snow to really enjoy the full potential of them. And if you're in really deep snow, they just you bottom out and they don't go nowhere. So we'll have some fun on the road to start and see where it takes us. Alrighty, so what do we got going on here? Got the batteries in. Plug that in. Make sure I've got this on. Yeah, I believe it is. Oh, there we go. Close this up because this is really handy. I just got this new net on the car, and it's probably one of the coolest things I got for winter. It really keeps the snow out of the engine bay, I guess you can say, and keeps everything kind of dry on the inside, so you don't get snow packed all the way inside the fans, which I'm sure would cause problems over time. So that is on nice and tight. The only problem with the netting is the Velcro that came with it really sucks and doesn't stick very well. So what I had to do is use some Gorilla two-sided tape in a couple spots, and that really did the trick. Alright, so that's on, that's on. Oh, of course I forgot to turn it on, didn't I? That was dumb. Come on. There we go. All right. It is cold out here. With the wind anyways. It's going to be a lot colder tomorrow. But let's enjoy it while we can. The sun is out. We had like blizzard conditions about an hour ago. Hey, watch it, bud. Yeah, you want to play with the Xmaxx too, eh? Alright, let's tighten up the camera here. Get that all nice and tight. Yeah, you like this thing, eh, Archie? Woo! Oh, yeah. Torque for days, man. It's a little bit deep through here, but might make it. Woohoo! Oh, it's rough. So rough. Let's take the ramp out for a minute. All right, got the ramp out. Archie, you're gonna have to move, bud. Archie, come. You good there, bud? Archie, watch yourself. Oh, I can't even drive straight, bud. Ah, shit. Oh, no steering on paddle tires. They go like snot in a straight line, but as soon as you try steering, they don't do too well. Am I stuck, dude? I'm stuck. Oh, there's Rachel. Archie, you gotta stay on my path, bud. All right. I'm trying to land on the road. I keep hitting it sideways. Oh, come on. Shit. Thought I was gonna make it. You going for a poop, dog? Again. Ah. Now we're down on the lake and it's like super deep, super windy, but super fun. I hope it makes it back. Feels like I'm doing open water right now. That's how deep the snow is. Come on, paddles. Eat, eat, eat. Oh yeah. That's crazy. And I rolled it. How the hell did I roll it? Oh, it's chunky. Oh, so much fun. Come on, baby. Oh! Hi, babe. Want to give it a push? Or a lift? Oh, that's not going to go nowhere. And I'm going to bury you in snow. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh, come on, you got this. No, couldn't make it. It's deep out here, though. Seriously deep. Oh. Holy moly. Oh, again? Come on. Watch the dog. All right, let's see if we can get a good air here. Wasn't expecting that. And buried. Just buried. Oh, it's getting, whoa! Oh, man down. Oh, I hope that didn't get my back. Oh boy. I gotta be careful because my back's been hurting for the past few days. Alright, let's see if come on. Got it. Whoa. Come on. Whoa. Nope. Too deep. Way too deep. Oh. Truck's getting really heavy too, so it's definitely picking up some snow. Not too bad. All right, let's try this one again. Holy crap! There she goes. Come on, you can make it. Just don't stop. Holy moly. Oh. What's Archie doing? Oh, I see. Oh, I think it's almost time. Those batteries are probably getting near the end of their life. I'd like to take a big jump somewhere, but oh, excuse me. No, that ain't gonna do it. All right. I think we're almost done here. One more of these jumps. And call it a day. That's it. Those batteries are done. I don't want to kill them too dead. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Manitoulin Island RC signing out. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring that bell too. All right, cheers. Peace out.